you managed us on 6th of March, wakati ulitangaza serikali haina pesa, you rendered court impotent, you rendered FK impotent, you rendered your Minister of Labor impotent, you rendered that committee that you had set out where my deputy was impotent, because as a worker number one, when you take over dispute, we cannot contradict you. We can't. We have no leeway in any machinery to contradict the head of state. And we must look for channels. Pale unakaa, Your Excellency, sio rahisi kufika. Kule ndani wewe ulikuwa free. Zamani ulikuwa unakuja kwa nyumba yangu nyumbani, unajua familia yangu, ukitengeneza chama chako cha URP, ilikuwa mtu tu unaweza kutana na yeye kwa njia, unakula na yeye mahindi. Little did we know, even we people who are in Azimio, utatoka nyuma upite kwa sisi namna hivyo na uwe president. So that position ukufikia sio rahisi. But I know on each and every issue you have an answer. Hiyo tunakuachia, Your Excellency. Jacqueline Muga amesema tunakuachia. And I know you are able minister. We have been in touch all the time, even the Minister of Health. Hii mambo yote tunawachia wewe. We are all your children. We are all, and we respect you. And you move faster. So Your Excellency, with your own wisdom and advisors, you will have an answer for us. And may God bless you on that. Hebu nimalize. Mungu anisaidie niwe mfupi sana kwa maneno. Your Excellency, I a little bit touched on digital e-commerce, as it is known now in the circle of International Labour Organization as platform economy.